Trump's plan to install an energy czar and dismantle climate rules. President-elect Trump aims to appoint an energy czar to oversee energy policies. The focus will be on rolling back climate regulations from the Biden administration. Sources indicate executive orders and proclamations are being prepared for this transition. Critics argue that Biden's clean energy regulations negatively impacted the economy. Trump's transition team is strategizing to reshape America's energy landscape significantly. Stay informed with our latest updates on energy policies and politics.